there all the way to almost to your elbow. And you've got palm up, supinated arm, hand on the forehead. You have them to tuck the chin a little bit, not too much, but just kind of a little bit of chin tuck. Now relax your chin, and then I'm just going to pull like this. Notice how it's just a pronation. Forearm pronation. Supinate, pronate. Traction. Supinate, pronate, traction. You can do this with side bending, supinate, pronate, and catch a little bit of that condyles of transverse process up there high.